No. This Christmas Eve, was a toy. Um,
We survived!
yes, it sure did. Peter did not. It's just a broken power jack. And, everything is still in there. I checked. So all we're doing, taking the screws out, and we're going to use some crazy glue. Works great. I'm a fan now. Now we're just going to glue the power jack back. That way we're going to spend $150 from Best Buy or Toshiba. Yes, right now, I'm just taking the screws. I'm going to take the screws out from all of this hole right here. I'm going to take the screws out. And as soon as I'm done, I'm going to pop the keyboard off. But that's going to be a while from now. That's about 20, 30 screws maybe. And once I pop the keyboard out, I'm just going to move it to the side and glue the power jack. It's located on the right side of the computer facing you. I'm going to glue it right back. And as soon as it dries, I'm going to put everything back together. You can start this here. So I'm going to bore you guys right now. But I'm going to pause while I get all the screws out.
Go ahead.
Okay, we're back from the pause. Now, when I said we're going to take all the screws off, I'm taking all the screws, all the supporting screws and all. You got to pop the battery out like this. You just pop it out, and there are 3 screws. 1, 2, 3. Take those out. And the next thing you're going to do, really loosen this a little bit. This one of the hidden screws that you really know about. And you pop that out, and there's a screw right here. Now, as soon as I'm done taking this last screw out there, I'm going to go back to popping it on. Okay, well, you can talk. I'm popping the keyboard area right now. Just like a screw to go all around it. And I'm not going to pull it all out. I really don't need to. What I'm trying to fix is actually right here, this little piece. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to add the glue right here, and if I get it stick to the body of the lantern. Now what Toshiba did, which is real cheap, what they did, which is real cheap, was they just pretty much made 2 slots, and they just slid this piece. Let me try getting that. Yeah, it's kind of no, that's not funny. You see this slots right here? Yeah, they made 2 slots which are broken now. Every time you go to put your power jack in it, you end up pushing this back, and after I say like a year or 2, you probably break it off. Or if someone happens to trip off your power cable and all that, you can just break it off. So we're just gonna do a temporary fix right now because I don't have $150 to pay to have this replaced and have somebody just like sort of something on me. So we're gonna post it right now just so I can get my stuff ready. I'm gonna use it again, like I said. That thing called Crazy Glue. Crazy Glue, and I'm gonna hide the name because I don't want to get sued if I make money. All right, so I'll bring you guys back when I'm ready to glue everything together. Okay. I am actually applying the glue right now to the front part of the port, the charging port. And they might take several attempts, but I just pretty much put it on one surface and apply it on the computer outer shell. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to dab a little bit just to make sure that it is thick. And actually this is the second one we are doing today. So Toshiba, if anybody from Toshiba listening and all, we pay good money for this. We do expect cheap labor. Even though cheap labor is fixing it right now. and then using my finger just to put pressure on it. And sometimes what you may want to do is take the port just to make sure it's centered right and stick it in there. You know, just to make sure that you have it like centered in the designated space for it. You know, as you can see, it is on there solid. Now what I do, I'm just gonna adjust a little bit more and get the sides too. While keep pressure on it. And I know some of you say I did put some at the bottom piece of the pot, but as soon as you have it in place, it's kind of like impossible to get down there. So now, like I said, this is not a permanent fix. It's more like if you're careful with your laptop, you know, it takes a second just to put it in. You know, of course, even if you had a brand, you're not jamming it in there. And if you carefully put it in, shouldn't be a problem. So my finger's out now, even though it's not dry yet. It's in, and that didn't take all of half a second really. So we're gonna pause it now, let it dry. I'm just gonna let it air dry, and when we come back, it's probably gonna be also trying to screw everything back up. So the final screw as far as the whole base, and I have to put it all back down here. All of that, and so this is the one hidden screw. This is the cover now. Just finished putting that in. Make sure it's tight. And the cover, not to get it in, it's a little bit tricky. It has little slots. Just pull up, slide it in, and pretty much it fits right there. Don't want to over tighten. And got 3 more screws underneath the battery in the battery compartment. And since I put those will be final ones, and I'm gonna put a battery back, and I'll actually test it so you guys can see that it actually works. Shouldn't take too long right here. Except for laptop, for computers, you never over tight. You never want to torque the screws down too much. As soon as you get the force resistance, usually go like a quarter ton more on that to have it. As far as getting them tightened on. It's a pain when you strip one of this and you have to, and you try to get it out. And that's it right there. Everything is in. Put the battery in. Let's see, we lock this one doesn't fall out. And wow, so trying to show you guys this. This is what I do. Make sure no screws. Right now I'm going to plug it in. Just going to plug it in, test it. So you guys see that's the whole thing. Oops. See, and like I said, you just be gentle with it. And that's it. And you can see it's plugged in. And voila! It's powering up. It's charging right here. And that is it. A simple 10-cent fix.
10 cents. Well, for now, this video will be on Ultimate Reviews Studios. That's the profile it will be under, but eventually it will change to whatever he decides to name his channel.
When I decide.
If he decides to do it at all. So, right now it'll be on my channel, but it'll just be there for a while. So, if you want to check this out, the video will be a Toshiba temporary power jack fix. Just search that up, and it's under Ultimate Review Studios. There you go. See you guys.